Hello everyone, and welcome to another review. Today we are going to take a look at the Viltrox Speedlight or flashlight. This should be a kind of universal flashlight for digital cameras, and hopefully this should work with my EM1 mirrorless camera, because this has a mount here, but it's not specified the type of mount that it's used. So this is not a TTL flash, this is just a kind of automatic flash that is triggered by a hot shoe. So you are going to need to set this manually when you are taking pictures with it. So if you want to read the details about, you can pause the video, and not more else on the box. So let's see what's in the box actually. So it comes in a pouch, that's nice, and it also has the English and Chinese manual, and you can see it has a lot of information here, and it shows how to set it up. And it has bound flash, stroboscopic flash. There's even a table here for setting it up, which is very nice. It also has a table for configuring aperture and ISO sensitivity, a flash guide, which also comes in handy. So that's very nice of them. Let's move on further. So here's the flash in a plastic bag, comes with desiccant, and it looks like this. What is nice is that, as it was specified in the manual, you can use it as a bounce, so this will extend and you can orient it almost 90 degrees upward, and you have multiple choices here, 45 degrees or straight to your subject, so that's nice. It also becomes more compact when you are not using bounce. It also has here infrared cell for using it with other flashes, and of course it has a LCD screen and lots of buttons to be set up. It's powered by two AA batteries, which are in here. It does not come with batteries included, but this will also run with rechargeable batteries, which is very nice. So I have installed the batteries, and now I'm going to power it on. So I'm going to keep button pressed. So it's already charged. This is the 1/128 value. It's in manual mode. This is the least powerful flash from all its settings, and if you press pilot light here, this shows that the flash has charged, but if you press it, it will emit a flash, and you can see it has a very good recycle rate. You can use it a lot of times and it charges instantly. But let's see, if I go to maximum, you can see it has a lot of steps for each adjustment. So I'm going to go full, which is this value, and that was more powerful, but as you can see it takes a bit of time to recharge. At least it works. So let's see now. I'm going to put it to the minimum value, and I'm curious to see if it's going to work with my camera here. Easy to lock up, and I'm gonna also power on the camera. I'm going to go into the settings menu, and I'm going to select flash mode on, and now I should have flash. So let's see. And yes, it works. I can see it triggering. Let's now see what other functions this Speedlight has. So it has an option to turn on LCD backlighting, which is useful when shooting in dark, because you generally use a flash when it's darker, so that's very welcome to have. Also, from the setting menu you can choose the intensity of the flash, but from the mode switch here you can choose the mode. So now it's in multi-mode or burst mode or strobe mode, so you can select how many flashes you want and a time interval. So now if I press the pilot, you can see it emits multiple flashes, and that's very useful in some situations. And back to manual mode, single manual mode. So it has two modes, it's strobe and one single flash mode, and from here you can select it as a slave 1 or slave 2 flashlight. So as you can see, it works just fine with EM1 mirrorless camera, and seems to be a nice flashlight because it's also compact. The camera is rather small, and if you use it on travels, you don't want to get a full large speedlight, so when you are shooting outside in the evening, maybe this will come in handy. Or indoors, you will probably know better when to use it, but I like its shape, its size, it's compact, it's small, and it has a very good recycle rate, which is also very nice. Until next time, bye bye.